Here are 5 logo design tips that you should always implement. Number 1, you want to make sure that your logo is distinct. Don't try and copy everybody else. Try and make it bold and beautiful and recognizable really fast. Number 2, it should work well in black, white, color, and in gradients. You want to make sure that it's flexible, because if it can only work in a few colors, then you've done a messy job. Make sure that it's scalable, so you should be able to see your logo at very tiny sizes and very large sizes, like on a billboard. So make sure that at each size you can clearly recognize what it is. Next, you want to make sure that if you design an icon, you want to make sure that it works well with the typography. Make sure that the thickness of the strokes match well together. Make sure the personality and the vibe of the icon matches well with the font. So choice of how you design the icon matters. A logo doesn't have to be literal. A logo is for identification, for quick recognition. Make sure your logo doesn't have to be complex. Just keep it simple. Make sure that people can understand what it is. If you want to learn more about logos, I have a course on Skillshare you can check out. Just DM me the word learn logos and I'll send you a link to check out my course.